Hi guys, this is your boy Martin from MartinTheVlogger.com, so the largest vlog about Can-Am on road vehicles, period. Now today, Tuesday's short video should be short, an answer to a very common question: where the heck is the VIN number, so identification number, on Can-Am Spyder or Can-Am RYKER? We have F3S limited special series, we have RYKER. It's same for the F3S, and it's gonna be almost the same for the RT. Now guys, enough of this Tuesday short videos, let's get started. Alright, so start with the Spyder. I took the pen because it's very like it's difficult to show it to you, but we are on the side of the where is the foot brake. You need to go here where is the wheel. You have A-arms, and there is actually one plate, this one, that it's connected to a bolt. It goes all the way down, and here is the, can you see my pen? Here is the mud flap, and there is a steel plate that's facing towards you, and it's engraved your VIN number right over there. Okay, I'm trying to do it at the dark, so have a look behind the mud flap. There is actually the VIN number right over there. Hopefully you can see it. So as I said, it's very hard to spot on or to see it. If you don't know it's there, it's almost impossible. And what's better than to have black on black with just engraved black VIN number? It's super crazy. Now with the RYKERs, now the tricky thing is that many people think when you go to the RYKER, and again you are on a foot brake side, many people do think that the number that you can see here, it's a VIN number, identification number, but it's not. So where it is, it's actually this metal plate. So you here, and there is one metal plate that it's facing down basically, and that's where your VIN number is. So it's, I don't know, it's super difficult to make this kind of video, but it's right, right over here, this one. So here it is right over there. You see that? So here's the A-arm, and the VIN number is on this metal plate right over there. So I hope this video helps you. Many times you need it for getting the license plates, or even for insurance purposes, police, whatever. So hopefully this was helpful. In case guys, a little bit of promo, in case you would like to ride one of our 6 Spyders or Rykers and do Europe on 3 wheels, go to ToursOn3.com, contact me. I can be your personal tour guide, or you can go on self-guided tours. And now, thank you very much for watching Tuesday short videos only on MartinTheVlogger.com. And now guys, remember, summer is coming, so enjoy riding and always have fun.